Hello student, today we will do exercise 1.3 from question number 10. In the last class we have done till number 9. So see the question number 10. A given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and lesson R on set A is defined as R equal to order pair x comma y such that y is divisible by x for x comma y belongs to A. Y divided by x or x divides y, same thing. So we have to find the relation R. They are asking only how many elements are there in R and list them. Then we have to find R inverse, then dr, rr and dr inverse R1 all. So it is simple only. Y divided means x divided by first I'm going to divide. So what we will write R equal to, you can do by arrow diagram first but not compulsory, you can do directly also. So you can say 1 divides 1, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 4, 1 divides 6. X divides y or y divided by x is same thing. The first component of the order pair should divide the second component. Our second component should be divisible by first component. Okay. Then 2, 4 can add 2, 4, 2, 6. Then 3, 6. Anything more you will get? We have not written bottom written 3, 3, we have not written 4, 4, we have not written 6, 6. Check it. Should be divisible by. Anything is left? We have written 1, 1, we have written 2, 2, not written. Okay. 2, 2, should arrange only. You can do yourself better. Then the question asking list element, they are not asking R. So you better write elements of R. Elements of R equal to. Then they are asking R inverse. So R inverse is simple only. They are distant relation R inverse. So just inverse 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 4, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2 or 6, 6. This is R inverse. Then asking what dr. Number 3, domain of R. Domain of R and range of R. Then domain of R inverse and range of R inverse. See, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4. What will we get? A. Range 1 to A only. Similarly, A only. We can it will remain all the elements will be there. The number 11. Okay, you can omit this. Number 11 now. Number 11 is A given 10, 11, 12, 13. B given 1, 2, 3, 4. Two sets are given. We have to find the number 1. We have to find R1, which is equal to order pair A comma B, such that A square equal to B square, A comma B belongs to J. This is R1. Number 12. See the condition given. Question number 1 is, oh sorry, question number 1 is, this is not so. R1 equal to order pair AB, R1, order pair AB such that A minus B is odd. Again, not question, no, it is next one. A minus B odd for A belongs to A and B belongs to B. The A minus B should be odd. So odd means what? 10, 1, 9, 10, 2 you can't write, 10, 3 you can write, 10, 4 will not be, 11, 2 you can write, 11, 4 you can write. See, this minus this should be odd. 12, 1 you should write, 12, 3, this is even and this should be odd. This is even, this should be odd. This is odd, because this minus this should be odd. Okay. Then what will write? 13, 2 you can write 13, 2 and 33. And this is all 13 only, so this is only R1 equal to. Question is asking, find R1. Number 2 is given what? R2 equal to R2 relation from A to B, such that R2 equal to A order pair AB such that A plus B is a multiple of 4. For A belongs to A and B belongs to B. A plus B should be multiple of 4. A plus B should be multiple of 4. So 10 plus 1, so 11 upon 10 plus 2 is a multiple of 4. 10, 2, then 10, 3, no, 10, 4, no, 11. 11, 1 you can write, no. 11, 1 you can write, 11, 1, then no 11 bit, then 12, 4, multiple of 4, 16, then 13, 3. Anything else you will get? I don't think. You check it out. Then relation R3 is given. Number 3, R3 is given. Relation R3 from A to B relation is given order pair AB such that A is less than 10 and A minus B should be a natural number. Positive should be simply. Okay. And think of R3 less than 10, so I can't find anything less than 10 here. See, A first component of each order pair should be less than 10. Less than 10. There is no number which is less than 10 in the set first set. So you can't form any order pair. So R3 will be equal to a null set. Understood? See, everything is equal to 10 or greater than 10. Order pair will not be formed. So that's all. Okay, now we go to number 12. Question number 12. R1 and R2 relation on the set of integers. R1 is relation from integer z to z and R2 is relation S2 relation R1 R2. R1 is given. R1 relation R1 defined as order pair AB such that A square equal to B square for AB belongs to Z. Now see, Z is an integer. Integer can be positive, negative, non-negative, everything, and it is infinite. So just you write only. See dot 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 you extra. You can write minus 1 minus 1 A square equal to B square. You can write minus 1 plus 1. You can write 1 minus 1. You can write 1 1. Similarly, you can write minus 2 2 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 2. You can go on writing dot 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 dot. You will not get it. This is the inverse relation. Okay. Then what is R2 is saying? Now dr1, we are also asking dr1. What is dr1? Minus 1, 1, minus 2, to all integer 0, 0 also will get, it will be there. And r1 will be also there. See the all integers are to be. Then this is number 1. Number 2 is saying AB R2 equal to R2 equal to order pair AB such that A minus B is positive. A B belongs to B. A minus B positive where A and B are prime. So A B are prime and both are smaller than 10. Prime and smaller than 10. Little bit thinking is needed here. You will find only prime number and their difference should be positive. So prime number to 3 2, then positive 3 minus positive 5 2 positive 5 3, both are prime and difference is positive. 7 both are prime and difference is positive. 7 3 prime and positive. 7 5 prime and positive. Anything more you will get? Check it out please. This is R2 equal to, then dr2 equal to how much we get? 3 5 7. 3 5 7. Then R2 how much we get? 2 3 5. 2 3 5. Domain, first component of order pair, then second component of order pair. Understood? So here easy only. 12 number we have done. Now can we go to number 13? 13 number. 2 R and S are two relations on set A given. Now in number 1 given if R is a proper subset of S, then we have to show that R inverse is a proper subset of S inverse. Okay, just class 9 proof is there, but you will in the terms of relation we write. Now let B A belongs to R inverse. So like we don't have to do equal. Subset only, so we will reply only. If you know if BA belongs to R inverse, then obviously AB belongs to R by definition of inverse relation. Inverse relation. Okay, but R is a proper subset of S means in class 9 we have the concept. Everything of R is there in S. So if AB belongs to R, imply AB belongs to S. Since R is a subset of S. So by definition what you will get? BA belongs to S inverse. This is my definition of inverse relation. Okay, now see here, V belongs to R inverse, V belongs to S inverse. What is the meaning? Anything this belongs to this are also there, so this is a subset of this. Okay, you see. Then number 2, 30 number 2 is also there. 30 number 2. In number 2, we have to show that R union T whole inverse is equal to R inverse union, sorry, R union S whole inverse equal to R S inverse. Just like last time, very simple, we have to give both way implication by shortcut method. Okay, so write down. Let VA belongs to R union T inverse. What is the meaning? We get both way implication. Shortcut AB belongs to R union T. This is by definition. By definition of inverse relation. Okay, what is the meaning of union? Class 9 that is AB belongs to R or AB belongs to, I am writing S, belongs to S. Now, if AB belongs to R, then obviously BA belongs to R inverse or BA belongs to S inverse. This is by definition of inverse relation. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of OR? Union. So BA belongs to R inverse union S inverse. Therefore, R union S whole inverse is equal to R inverse union S inverse. If you have got the proof, simple only. Last time you have the idea about this process. It's not difficult. Now number 40. Number 14, question A. R relation of set of natural number, R relation of set of natural number, R is defined as AB such that 3A plus B is equal to 10 and A and B belongs to N. 3A plus B is equal to A and B should be natural number. 3A plus B equal to 10. It will be thinking needed. So what we will get R equal to? Three 1 3 plus 7 10 1 7. We can write 3 1 3 plus 7 10 1 7. Then 3 2 6 plus 4 10 2 4. 3 3 plus 1 9. So 3 1 4. So we can't write. So this much only. R equal to. Then what is R inverse? If you are asking. R inverse. Very simple. You know if you are, then you can say 7 1 4 2 and 1 3. This much only. We have to find anything else? Ask no. We have to find right R inverse in R inverse only. This is not the answer, but to find the R inverse, you need to find R answer. Now 15 number. This is the last question. We are about to complete it. And given A is a set with the element 1 2 3. R relation on A. R is a relation on set A such that R equal to A. That means AB means all of AB only. outer pair AB such that now if A less than equal to B and for A comma B belongs to A less than equal to B it should be. Okay, A should be less than equal to B. So there are only few elements, it's not difficult. So what is R equal to? Less than equal to B, what is it? 1 1 you have to write 1 1 1 2 less than or equal to 1 3 2 2 also will write 2 3 2 okay 2 3 only then 3 3 anything else you can write 3. A should be less than equal to B. A belongs to R. Equal to A equal to B, A less than B. A less than B, A equal to B, A less than B, A equal to B. So this much element will get correct. You will check it out. Now, question asking a smallest integral. A smallest relation, A smallest relation R equal to no, it will be null set. And the largest relation it is also given in the universal relation. So what is R equal to? Universal relation means R equal to A cross A. I think this should be enough to write. Okay, you can find A cross A, but it is not asking. Universal relation will be R cross R only. See, the hint is also given. So this is all about. If I am writing R equal to A cross A in the largest relation, which is a null relation. So that is all about in the next class. I will give you exercise 1.4 with concepts and some definition. There is some special type of relations are there, and it's the most important exercise at 1.4 the next class. Bye.